Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can view dashcam clips. Okay, just start by selecting the three dots, and then you have the dashcam icon. Okay, so here you can see this is the last event, and we can select front camera, rear, right or left, and we can rewind here, as we can see. And also, if we want to watch other clips, we can just select this icon. This is all the videos, Sentry dashcam. We can just select Sentry or dashcam as well. Okay, and if we want to delete this clip, we can just select the delete icon here. And also, if we want to watch where event happened, we can see the red dot here, and there's someone walking close to the car. And let's delete it. Delete. And now it's deleted. If you want to delete all the clips, you can go to the select the car icon, and then you are in the settings, and you can choose safety, and here you have delete dashcam clips, and you can also format the USB drive. The USB is inside the glove box. That's why you maybe want to put a pin code on the glove box, since someone wants to take out the USB drive if they do something to your car. Okay, so that's how you can watch your dashcam clips.